Hello everybody, my name is John Bolton and I'm here to talk about embracing failure. My recommendation for embracing failure is to change your perspective on said failure. I try to tell a lot of people that work for me that you shouldn't look at failure as I didn't do exactly what I was trying to accomplish. Another way to look at failure is an opportunity to learn. Some of the greatest successes that I've accomplished was better appreciated because I had to fail at certain things before finally accomplishing what I was trying to do. The same could be said for even my education experience in college. I've been pursuing a bachelor's degree on and off since almost 15 years. And because life happens and things change and situations change, and I've jumped. This is my fourth school, but I've finally been able to get through it, and I'm a class or two off from getting my degree. I think because of that, I've learned to enjoy the college experience more. I get more out of it because I'm older, and hopefully when I finish this degree, I'll be able to embrace the failures of the past of not getting it by appreciating it more that I've got it, and that I've gotten more of a quality education because so. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate it. Bye-bye.